So we, the team of senior hacker, are presenting you a unique way to avoid classes. You too fed up of event classes at your college, and do you also end up attending only one event, even if you want to attend both and many? I mean, due to the classes. So here we are. We are presenting our website of how to manage that time, and uh, let us discuss about how it's work. And here, this is a home page, and here you can create your event. And this is first step is for checking your availability. I mean, here you can choose your date to check the availability of your system, your timing slot. And here you click and then submit. And this one is when you find the uh, empty slot, then you can book your slot here. This is here, and you can book your slot here. And let us check some real time, this one. And here you can book, let's say 11th May 2020, and then enter your name, let's say uh, John, and then describe event means some interactive section, interactive session. And then you need to choose your time, and that this day is, let's say, from 11 a.m. to 12, oh, let's say 11:30 or 11:30, and then okay, and then you submit. When you submit, and then you will get your output, I mean, here in the database. And this is the MongoDB database, and here, and you will see your entry point, and that's a view screen. Here is one, your entry point. You see here your ID and your date, and then username, your, and this interactive section, and then time 11:30 to 11 to 11:30. And so, and this is how we store your data into the database, and we use MongoDB. And from here we display what are the upcoming events. I mean, what are your availability. I mean, this date are the booking dates. I mean, they are booked by some club, others you cannot book this timing. So this is how. And here you can and according to the availability of the slot, you can book. And this is our team. Now we will talk about, and we will more discuss about, about the code more deeply. And here is the Visual Studio Code, and this is the first our web server code. And here we use Express to maintain this web server. And from here, and we use the MongoDB database, no SQL database. And after here we set out the router, I mean our address. This is the home page address, and this is the find and link, I mean add an added link, address, and then that find. These are all the root, I mean this all the function that the website can do by addressing this HTTP request. And our this package, our dependencies, here we use our frosthack web server version here, and description, we don't have it. And here we have this all dependency here, HBS and MongoDB we installed here. And we use dynamic template, so we use HBS here. And then using this one, we can view, we can show the dynamic views.
Let me start. Okay. Hi everyone, and now I will tell you about the future scope that our product has. As you all know that education in the future is going to be more about the practical knowledge rather than about be textbook oriented. And through the invitation talks or the events, we get to know about the outer world, and this gives us the bigger picture of the world. And so I think this product is going to be very useful in the future. So as a team, we would like to add features in the future such like that we can provide a request to shift button in the future. Let's say that due to many reasons, there many reasons can be there that a particular event organizer want to conduct a session at a particular time slot that has already been booked for some other event. Then through this button, he can request the prior organizer to shift his uh, event for a later time, if it is possible for him. Because and we are also because every individual will have a unique ID on our platform. So we are also thinking to link the IDs of each individual to his email IDs. This email would be helpful. This email will be helpful in future for sending the reminders about the events and to tell them, inform them about if in case if there is any shifting or postponing of the event. Now I will ask my team member Pongsan to please explain from the beginning that how you can run all of this project onto your computer. Pong.
Okay. Thanks, Abhishek. So we will talk about how to run the program. We will upload this zip file into our Difflio account. In that server, and you can download this zip file. And after downloading this zip file, then you can extract it. And here I extract. And after extracting here, you can see this old file here. And in this file, you can see this package.json. In this file, you can see all the dependencies which is needed in running this particular file, project. And here you can see all this one. And this Express, HBase, and MongoDB, all these dependencies are dependencies of the Node.js, and we need to install it in order to run this particular project. And here Express, HBase, and MongoDB, and their particular version here. And moreover, we need to start. We need to start off a server. So you need to install MongoDB, and here, and I will tell you how to start it. So after installing your MongoDB database, and you need to run this command. And here this is your MongoDB part, and this is the data part. And this is one here. You will store all the data of your particular project or database in here. You can find, and you need to run this to fire up your server, database. Okay, wait a minute. Database data. Mm. And here you can see, let us go close again and then run it again. Let's clear the terminal. And here, this is the command to start up your database. And here we start the database here. And you need to so your database is start. So you can work in your project. Here I open the file, this project. Let's close this one. And here you see the your file in the VFS, after extraction. And here we can open here. And in this file directory, we need to search about this not f.js, f.js in the source directory. And after opening this, we need to open into, I mean, this terminal into the BFS code, and let's search this file, and then you need to run this f.js into the um, not command, not f.js. So when you run your command, and you will say the server port is at 3000. So let us open it into the new tab here, and here localhost 3000. Here you can see your server here. Did we open this one? And here you can book your slot here. Let's say this 5 and enter your name, like say Pong. Describe event is celebration, celebration, and then check your time, any 1 p.m. 2 a.m. to let's say this is for 1:39. Let's say this one, and then submit it, and then we can see into the browser, I mean this database here, and here you can see username Pong's celebration, and then time this one, and we need to take this data in, and we can, I mean, we can show which that is allocated, or all this one we can take out from the database. So thank you from, I mean, from our side. Abhishek, what, want to add something?
No, that was all from our side, and that's all. Thank you. The team Senior Hacker.
Okay, let's finish this.